Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am doing my monthly haul. I know it's been a little bit since I've done one of these. I did skip my haul for the month of April just because of the mold situation. I gave myself that month off of my low buy. If you did not know, I am on a low buy for the year of 2019. I am trying to stick to spending no more than $150 a month on makeup. I have just made it makeup. It is not skincare, it is not hair care, it is just makeup. And I have quite a lot for this month, so let's just jump in and see how I did. So I have been shopping for makeup since the beginning of the month. May 1st, I placed my first online order. I went to Mellow Cosmetics. They asked me to be an affiliate with them, and they gave me a sizable discount to order some products so that I could test them, and I really do like them. I ordered this palette, which I think is the Sinopia, but I could be wrong. It is a $28 palette, and it is so beautiful. And I will have my affiliate link down below if you guys are interested. But these colors are just so pretty for a like neutral summer palette, and I find the quality to be really good. So I do not mind affiliating myself with that brand at all. And I got two lipsticks at $15 each. This is Danger Zone, this bright pinky red, and then this one is nude, which is like a mauve tone nude, and I got 30% off these items, so I only spent $40.60 on all three items, which I think is a good deal. And like I said, if you want to save some money and you're interested in Mellow products, the link will be down below. But also, if you would like to see a review on Mellow products, I'd be happy to do that for you as well, so please let me know. The next thing I did was place an order during the Sephora VIB sale. It was the 3rd. I ordered the Natasha Denona blush palette. I think it's called the Bloom Blush and Glow or something, and I returned it. I did not like it at all, so $0 spent there because I returned it. But I did get this Point Perks set from Caudalie, which I'm so excited. It is a skincare set of their French natural favorites. It has an essence, an eye cream, a serum, and a moisturizer. So I can't wait to try these out and let you know how they work, but $0. The next place I went shopping was Walmart, because I always seem to go by the cosmetics aisles when I'm buying food, and I got the Revlon Glow Gelée in Good as Gold. That took me a minute to find the shade. It's basically like this jelly highlighter in this pinky gold shade, and it was $8.97 for this. I feel like it was cheaper than that, but I can't find my receipt, and online Walmart has it listed at $8.97, so that's what I'm going with. So that puts me at a total already in like the first week at $49.57. Then I decided to spend a bunch of Ulta points, and I also got ebates cash back in the form of an Ulta gift card. So I got quite a bit from Ulta that I did not pay for. So I got the Winky Lux Coffee Bronzer, which is a replacement because this got lost in the mold. So I'm happy to have this back in my collection. It smells like coffee. It smells so good, and it's a really nice matte bronzer. And I also replaced the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Blush, which got damaged in the mold outbreak. So those are two items I'm happy to have back. And then I got the Nudies in Bloom Poppy Girl Blush Stick. You should have seen this in my makeup and checkup video. I used it. It's a really nice glowy blush stick. I want to get more shades, but they're super pricey. They're like $32 each or something, but I used my points and got it for free. I also got the Hi-Lite Fairies from Lime Crime. This is a highlighter palette with 3 different shades, and these all are unique to my collection and they're really blinding. I do enjoy this formula, but I hate how bulky the packaging is and how heavy it is. Like, it is not travel friendly to me at all. I like something more slim like this. So yeah, again, another free item. Then I got 4 shadows from Anastasia, and it came with a free case, and the shades I got were Metal, and this is like a silver gold, and I got Aqua, which again I used in my makeup and checkup get ready with me. I got Star Cobalt. That's such a hard word for me, I don't know why. And the last one I got was Venice, and I think they describe this one as a peacocky color. It's like a turquoisey gold shifting color. And I just really wanted to try some fun blue summery colors. Next time if I order from them again and like do a quad, I'll probably get more mattes and try out their matte formula, because these are all shimmery shadows, but they're really beautiful. Then I used my cashback from ebates and cashed it in the form of an Ulta gift card, because they give you a higher percentage cash back if you do that. So I got the Latte Kitten palette, which smells exactly like the Latte bronzer, and it's this neutral toned palette. Here, let me black out my face right here. It's so pretty, and I know I wear a lot of bright looks, but I do love neutral shadows as well, and I really like this. It has 3 mattes and the rest are shimmers, and I think even though it's a mostly shimmer palette, you can still get a variety of looks, because there's like gold and purpley and like champagne and this like bronzy tone, so you can do a variety of looks with this, and it's like nice and light. This would be a good like everyday work palette, or maybe even a bridal palette, you know? So I'm really excited to have this, and again I used my ebates gift card. And I also got the Matcha Blueberry Balm. Now this has beeswax in it, but I haven't noticed that it burns my lips at all. But I will keep you updated if it does eventually burn me. But so far it works great. I do have a sensitivity to beeswax. I can't wear Burt's Bees products. I can't wear a lot of lip products. But even though this has beeswax in it, it doesn't really bother me at all. I don't feel any burning. I'm fine. Then I was just having a rough weekend, so I placed 3 online orders. Oh my gosh. So the first one was to ColourPop, and this was at the end of the month. This was on the 30th. Hold on, let me go to the photo, and I'll insert pictures of what I ordered so you can see what I ordered. So from ColourPop, I got their trios of blush sticks and highlighter. You get 2 blush sticks and a highlighter stick. It's a new release, and I got the trio called Call Me Big Poppy, which, come on, who doesn't think of Biggie when they hear that? Anyway, that was $22, and then I got the Blue Moon palette, which is their all blue monochromatic palette, which I'm so stoked for. I was really tempted to get the Slice whatever palette, the red one that they released, but I decided if I have to get just one because I don't want to go crazy, I would rather have the blue one. So that was $34 for both of those. So that put me, I went in a weird order, so I'll just put it where it put me on the screen because I mathed in a weird order and I'm going out of order. So that's what I got from ColourPop. The next online order, and I did these like all in succession, it was from Ulta. I ordered the Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm, which if you know me, you know I am obsessed with Winky Lux Balms. They are one of my favorite lip products, and a rainbow one, come on. Come on. So I got like 20% off that lip balm, so it was $14.40. And then I got a cleansing oil from Formula 10.0.6. Is that how you say it? It was on sale on the clearance section, and I've never tried a cleansing oil, so I figured, why the heck not? Oh wait, that's skincare. That doesn't count. Why am I counting that? That doesn't count. Take that out. Take that out. That messes up my total. That messes up my total, so forget that. But I did get it. And then I also got the Essence Satin Touch Blush for $1.79 on sale from $2.99. And again, I have no idea where that puts me because I put in the cleansing oil. This is out of order, so it'll be on the screen where I am. And I also got a mask, but again, not counting that because that's skincare. So I got like $16 worth of makeup from Ulta, so not as bad as I thought. I'm gonna have to remath. And then I placed a Sephora order, and I did buy all makeup items, so this makes it easier. I bought the Let It Rainbow eye set from Tarte, which is like their rainbow eye palette, and a mini mascara from them. I'm so excited because I don't think, besides my Viseart matte brights palette, I have like a straight up rainbow palette. So this is exciting to me. I know people say they're over rainbow palettes, the rainbow's been done, but I'm not really over the rainbow yet. And then I got the Banana Bright Face Primer by Ulla Henriksen. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Everybody raves about this, and I just really want to try it. I've never spent $36 on a face primer. I want to see what it's like. Sephora has a really good return policy if it sucks, so yeah. So those two items were a total of $60, which again, I don't know where that puts me total wise, so I don't know. But then this was, I think, my receipt says June 1st, but I feel like it was the 31st. I feel like it was off. I got 3 things from Walmart. I got the e.l.f. concealer, and this is $5, and I got the shade Medium Peach. I'm really shocked that I am a medium shade. Like, if you want to see it swatched, like, I wouldn't go any lighter than that. In fact, that's probably still a little light for me, but this was like the darkest shade my Walmart had. So I have been wanting to try this concealer because it's so hyped up, and it's only $5. And then I got another shade of the Color Reshine lipstick. This is the shade Lacquered Strawberry, and it is $7.23. It's a glossy pink lipstick. And then the last thing I got is the Wet n Wild Jade Lip Gloss, which, if you don't know, I'm planning on turning my hair green soon, so I wanted more green lip products, and it's a really pretty glittery sheer formula, and it was only $2.93. So the totals will be on screen because in editing, obviously, I'll have it all figured out, but let me like pause the video, do some math really quick, and come back and tell you how I did. Okay, so if I math correctly this time, which I will let you know on the screen what the real math is, but I have that my total for the month of May was $174.92, and that is $24.92 over my budget of $150, which honestly, yes, I'm disappointed that I didn't stick to the $150, especially when I like got so much free stuff with my Ulta points and everything. But with how stressful my life has been and shopping being a coping mechanism for me, I'm pretty proud that that's all I went over. I think that $24 over is not that bad. Not that bad at all, because dealing with this move and dealing with the ex and all of that, I've been stressing out a lot, and that's why that one day I placed 3 online orders. So I'm actually kind of proud that it's only $24 over. What do you guys think of how I did for the month of May? Let me know your thoughts down below. Also, please let me know if there is anything that I showed you guys or that, you know, is coming that you would like to see a dedicated video on, a 3 looks video, a review on, I would love to do that for you. And if you are on a low buy or a no buy for this year, I'd love to hear how you guys are doing in the comments down below. And if you're doing a video series on it, I would love to watch it as well, so please let me know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!